welcome back to PressWise. Today we're going to be talking about working with proofs. So to get started, we have a proof that we're going to be working on today, and we're going to be covering the basics of proofing and how to send one. So here we have an order with files that were revised, and we need to send a proof to that customer so that they can review it. We can look through the order notes to make sure that everything is good to go. So we can see the order here, and we can see the customer's request for revision in the margin size here. And then we can see where the revision was completed and is now awaiting approval. And we can see that these items are in the proper waiting status for the customer. So now that this revision is complete, what we can do is come in here and send this to the customer via email. And what we need to do is just click on the proof button, and this generates a generic script that gives you the details and a link to the proof page. Now we'll hit send. Now what we need to do is set this order into waiting for approval for the customer. Now the customer will be notified that he is waiting for their approval, and what happens is the customer gets a link to a website that shows them the order status, and what we have here is that same link. So if we click on this, this will open up a new tab for us, and this will take us to that order status. We can see where we can send an email. We can look at our credit card credentials. We can upload new files. This is everything that the customer can do, by the way. We can have a look at each of these. We can click into this and bring it up. We can zoom in, zoom out, have a look at these. We can also download the PDF proof. If we click here, we can select each item individually. We can reject the item and give feedback. Or, in this case, we're going to be approving these selected items because they are indeed correct. So we'll approve the selected items, and then we'll get a notification up top here that says the approval is recorded. So we're going to exit out of this, and we're going to come up here. Now, once the customer has approved the order, we can come down here and find out who the sales representative is, or the customer service representative, or the designer. And based on who is assigned to this job, these people will be receiving a notification that the job has been approved. So now that this job has been approved, I'm going to set a due date real quick just to make sure that it goes through. And we're going to do customer pickup on this one. We'll click save, exit. Now our shipping method is customer pickup. The due date is July the 30th. So now we're going to send this on into production. But first we want to make sure that this is ready. Now we click on the production. Are you ready to send this order to production? Absolutely. And now we can see that the order is ready to go. We are validating the order for production, so it's going to be shipped momentarily, and everything is ready to fly. Thanks for watching PressWise training course number 2, working with proofs. If you'd like to watch the next video, please go to your video courses and select order page detail. Thanks for watching.